I'm calling it the Triple B because it has bourbon, it has beer, and it's for baseball. How about that? I literally just made that up like during the commercial.
Okay, it's also a little bit ironic because our dog's nickname is Triple B.
Yeah.
Bella Boo Blue. We call her Triple B for short. We will not be giving this to our dog.
No, dogs do not drink beer or
dogs
bourbon.
will
Bad
not
idea.
be drinking this. No dogs will be hurt in the making of this cocktail. Take it away, John.
Okay, so basically, it's a sort of a whiskey sour topped with beer, basically.
Wow.
And a whiskey sour is whiskey. In this case, we're using bourbon, and something sour, which we have fresh squeezed, always fresh squeezed lemon juice, and something sweet, simple syrup, which I've said it a million
Equal
times.
parts water and sugar.
Water and sugar. Just melt the sugar. It just incorporates a lot.
So that's pretty
more
much
easily.
a whiskey sour right there.
That's a whiskey sour right there.
Right.
Now, just to make it interesting, I'm going to spice it up a little bit with some hot sauce.
Little Tabasco.
A little Tabasco in there. You can add as much or as little as you want.
This is gonna put hair on my chest, but in my family, that's not unknown. It happens from
God.
time to time.
And now, we just...
And this is just the topper,
That's
right?
the topper, yeah.
Okay.
So this is our our spicy whiskey sour base. Shake it up to chill. I know you love when I do this.
I know, it makes... Never mind. He looks very cute when he's shaking. He wags his butt when he shakes the drink.
Yeah, you gotta wag and shake at the same time.
It's very cute.
Anyway, I have some nice pint glasses here filled with ice. Put that in the butt. That would be good just by itself, but we're gonna gild the lily and add a can of beer on top. Because, you know, you can't have baseball without beer, right? You have a new appreciation for beer, actually, don't you?
I do, because of all the service I did in Poland and Ukraine, and that's, you know, when in Poland and Ukraine.
And we're gonna garnish
Learn
it.
to like some beers.
Garnish it with a little spicy chili. And then I know you like straws, so I got some straws out here for you.
Okay.
Let's see if I can...
Wait.
What?
Da-da-da-da-da-da!
Cheers!
Woo!
That's good.
That is absolutely
You like it?
delicious. I actually
likes-
really like it.
She likes a brown
It's
liquor.
like
That's
Mikey.
never happened before.
It's like Mikey with the cereal.